Alright, is this thing on? Alright. Hello, I am Medical Officer Ratchet. Today I will be teaching you about Dinobots. Well, you might be asking yourself, what is a Dinobot? Well, I kind of wonder the same, but I kind of made Dinobots with my friend Wheeljack, so now I'll teach you about them. So today I will be showing you Shitty Grimlock, Swoop, Slag. What? These are the wrong names. Bumblebee, did you mess with my list again? Don't blame Cliffjumper, I know it was you. Sorry about that. Kinda lost my temper, but might have to make my own notes for this one, okay? So, we will be looking at. Finback. From what it reads, Finback is a Dimetrodon Dinobot. Wow. Let's bring Finback here and let's show you guys what Finback is all about. But before I do that, I better back up. But first, I will talk about my sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Just joking. Okay, Finback.
Right here, Ratchet.
So as you can see, he is a Dimetrodon. He has a large red fin, which is able to hide Autobots behind. He has many claws, a lot of them to be in fact. He has a long tail with a red stripe going down it from the fin, and yeah, sorry it doesn't really have a lot of information. Finback was kind of born the other day, and he doesn't really have a robot mode. Neither of the Dinobots I'll be talking to have a robot mode, unfortunately.
Me, Finback, strong. Me have long whip tail. Me, Finback, also part of another group of Dinobots. But Finback needs Energon, Ratchet. Do you have any Energon?
Sorry, Finback, I don't really have Energon, but the camera is getting a nice view of your fin. But yes, Finback is the newest Dinobot we made. Well, mechanically made. Not how you humans do it, but yes. But on the lines of human activities, Dinobots actually like getting pets. So that's something I guess for this other part. So thank you for having you come here from back.
I still want the Energon. Man, I really wanted that Energon today. Uh, see you again, Ratchet.
Well, that was unexpected for that falling over, but might as well just pick it right back up. I might pause the camera for this, but hey, I'll be right back. Come on, Wheeljack, why did you not give them any energon today, man? Okay. Next, we'll be talking about Sawtooth, the second to last Dinobot we made today.
Hello, Ratchet. It's been a while.
It's been a while too, Sawtooth, but you know, yeah, Sawtooth really likes pets for some reason. It must be a technical glitch in her CNA, but hey, she is an infiltrator, Dinobot, and she's quite massive compared to Finback. Yes, Finback. Showing her off. Well, showing her off, she has a bright red horn with a little bit of fins on her head. She has tiny arms that are useless, sharp claws on her feet, and a long tail for bashing Decepticons. Oh no, a great design for a Dinobot. Ah!
Thanks for the attention.
Ow. Alright, well, I'm gonna go turn off this camera soon, but that is today's lesson about Dinobots. Don't have a friend who is so impulsive he just creates Dinobots, but I'll be off. See ya. Sound like crap, Ratchet. Wheeljack! Oh, the camera's still on. Well, I'm gonna beat the shit out of Wheeljack now. Bye. Hey, Ratchet, I was still here. I actually messed up the list. Just wait until I get my hands on you.